Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MIK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I'll say this just to establish some context here. But quite the bounce on this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, yet the price eventually was able to work its way back up to that area. Now, don't get me wrong. There's still a lot more work that the overall chart needs to do. But that was still a very nice move. But that all does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of true strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that level is down here at $9. Why is $9 an important and helpful level? And I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 9, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. So keep an eye on that level. Again, not the end of the world if the price, pulls down to that level, because that still would, give the price an opportunity to show signs of progress. But I mean, yeah, if the price goes down there and then there's blast down through $9, that would be a massive problem. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to keep on working its way higher, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, first key area of resistance is going to be that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average. You can see that's already played out and acted as resistance right there. That value is, we'll just call it $10 even, technically 10.04, but $10 at initial level. And then next key level of resistance, if the price can push up through there, would be that purple line up there, the 50 period moving average, currently valued at $10, and we'll call that 80 cents. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very impressive bounce today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this bounce and build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens with it.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.